yung final po na 16 na isinumiting listahan ng VP Sara, hindi pa pala yun final kasi nabanggit po ninyo kung pagbobotohan pa rin po yan ng komite. Isasalain pa rin po yan.
Christian, at least with respect dito kay
Sa
Attorney
dalawa.
Monsaya
Okay,
at
okay.
saka kay Attorney Powa, that will be a possibility.
Opo.
Kasi especially if Congressman Ridon is already discussing that publicly, no? And he is a justice member, so I anticipate siya mismo ang magre-raise niyan, no? Na he might object to the entry of appearance of these two, and if this will be supported by the majority, well, the possibility is their entry might be denied, no? Kung hindi naman susuportahan si Congressman Ridon ng majority ng justice members, let us remember, it's the majority that rule, then the committee might allow them.
Opo.
Pero at least what we said earlier
Opo.
is an explanation behind the sentiment and the argument of Congressman Ridol. Where is he coming from? Bakit ba niya nire-raise yung conflict of interest na yon?
Okay,
It's
okay.
because nga of the possibility na pati-testifyin sila, hihingin yung testimony nila because somehow they are part of the process in the OVP and the DepEd, specifically with respect to the alleged misuse of confidential fund.
Opo.
And if this happens at lawyer pa rin sila ng Vice President, baka biglang ma-raise yung privileged communication that all
Opo.
informations received by the lawyer from her client cannot be divulged,
Oo,
even
oo.
in courts of law.